everybody, my name is Jaina from Stonyhurst Salvin International School and I'm SK. Today I'm gonna talk about a farm animal. My favorite farm animal is a dog. Wait. I know what you're thinking, it's not a farm animal, but you're wrong because it helps the farmers. So how does a dog help in the farm? First, it's a friend of a farmer. The farm dogs are good. They help the sheep to move, so the farmer would not be tired anymore leading them everywhere. The dogs are also very obedient. They train, that's why they get to help the farmer. That's nice. And I saw a movie that the owner told his dog to make him circle and he could even jump in their heads. You know why the sheep follow them? Because they are scared of them. The dogs, because they will think they will eat them. That's why they listen to the dog's commands. Because the dogs are strong. But the sheep are wrong. They won't eat it. He just wants them to go so they could have space. Dogs are helpful, but they can also be dangerous. You know, when I was 3 years old, they bit me. A big one. Hi guys. What should... You could not play with dogs. See, it bit me already here. See, this is my boo-boo. You just only play with fish or big fish. You put a big aquarium and a fish and turtles. And you play with rabbits. Be careful also with dogs because they're dangerous. But I still like it. Dogs eat meat. But not sheep because they're kind. Dogs live in the kennel, but sometimes they live around the house. In the barn, there is also dogs that live in the doghouse. I'm gonna show you today the habitat of a dog. He has a doghouse in the barn. Now I'm doing the habitat of the dog, the kennel. Barn I drew. This is the cow. This is the horse. This is the chicken. I like the dog because it helps the farmer and they're so cute. Bye bye. I hope you learned something from me, guys.